Hi. Hello. How are you today? Are you ready to read Baby Touch and Feel Farm Animals? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's begin. Baby Touch and Feel Farm Animals. Oh, look at the cow. Wow. Feel the cow. It's so smooth. The cow goes moo. And look, this is a calf sitting among the flowers. Wow, look at the pig in sticky mud. And look, these are the piglets. So spotty. Look at the black spots. And look, it's a chicken. The chicken goes cluck cluck. And these are chicks. One chick, two chick, three chicks. Fluffy tummies. Feel their fluffy tummies. Wow, it's a sheep. What a warm woolly coat. Ooh. And look at the lamb. The lamb goes ba, ba. It's a duck. The duck goes quack, quack. The duck goes quack, quack. And these are ducklings. The ducklings are splishing and splashing in the rain. Wow, it's a sheepdog. Let's play ball. And look, this is a sheepdog puppy. Too tired, sweet dreams. The sheepdog puppy is tired. It's sleeping. Good job. We just read Baby Touch and Feel Farm Animals. Good job. I'll see you next time. Bye.